Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are going to cook some meatloaf. As you can see, guys, all the ingredients of my meatloaf is on the screen, so you can just follow that for me. And to begin with, we are going to chop some garlic and some onions and some parsley together. I'm not happy with this chopper, so I switch onto my blender to make it nice and smaller. And then I mix it into my meat and also made my breadcrumbs. Now this was frozen, so I had to soften it in the microwave and blend it. Then I pour it into my meat. Mix it all together until they're all incorporated. And I also add 2 large eggs with it. Then mix it right through. I have to use my hands so that I can mix it all together. Here I had to prepare my pan and wipe it. Then spray with olive oil. Pour my meat mixture. Then form my meat into a loaf. Then I cover it with glad wrap and rest it for about half an hour. Meanwhile, I asked the hubby to peel 2 big potatoes. When my meat was rested, I pour some olive oil on top of it. Then cook it on preheated oven for 200 degrees for half an hour. Meanwhile, I have to make my barbecue sauce. Ingredients of this barbecue sauce is on description below. Mix the sauce until it's thickened. Then pour this over your meat. Take your meatloaf out. Then spoon over some sauce with the meat over the potatoes as well. Now guys, put it back in the oven for another 18 minutes. I think it's cooked, guys. Let's take the meat out, shall we? Just be careful taking it out from the oven because you might burn yourself. Let's take this foil out, shall we? That looks so delicious. And I cut that into pieces as well and then plate it. Thanks for the blessings. Let's eat. Enjoy because this is so good. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now. Enjoy. Happy Halloween. And I put some gravy on top of my potatoes and my meat. And now we are ready to fade our face again. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.